All right. Take 2 different shades of green paper. Cut a dark one in half, from 38 cm to 8 cm. And follow the steps. If you want to know how to make Santa Claus with paper, I'll put the link to that video in the description below. Make one more the same size. Then follow the steps to stick together. Now the 5th layer is complete. Cut the light green paper into 35 cm by 7 cm. And follow the same steps. Make 4 layers. 2 with dark green paper, and 2 with light green paper. All layers with sizes I'll put in the description below. Then make a top layer with dark green paper. Let's see how to make a 3D star with paper. But before that, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. Then stick all layers.